Replacing windows in your Tuscaloosa home is one of the most effective ways to boost energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. However, many homeowners unknowingly make mistakes that can lead to unnecessary costs, poor results, or ongoing frustrations. To help you get the best outcome, here are the most common mistakes to avoid during a window replacement project in Tuscaloosa. Choosing the wrong window type. Tuscaloosa's climate brings hot summers, occasional storms, and humidity. Not all windows perform equally in these conditions. Some homeowners choose windows based only on looks or price, overlooking performance. For example, single-pane windows may be cheaper, but they don't offer the insulation needed for Alabama's climate. Similarly, choosing windows without proper storm resistance can leave your home vulnerable during severe weather. Tip: select energy-efficient, double or triple pane windows with low E-glass. Also, ask about impact-resistant options if your home is exposed to heavy winds. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Energy bills in Tuscaloosa can skyrocket if your windows are inefficient. Many homeowners forget to check key ratings like U-factor, insulation, and solar heat gain coefficient, how much heat the window lets in. Ignoring these ratings may result in windows that let too much heat inside during summer or lose warmth in the winter. Tip: always review Energy Star certifications and compare ratings. It may cost more upfront, but energy-efficient windows save you money in the long run. DIY installation. Without experience installing new windows might seem like a DIY-friendly project, but it's more complicated than many think. A small gap, misaligned frame, or improper sealing can cause drafts, water leaks, and structural issues. Some homeowners in Tuscaloosa attempt DIY window replacement to save on labor costs, only to spend more later on repairs. Tip: hire a licensed and experienced window contractor familiar with Tuscaloosa homes and climate challenges. Professional installation ensures long-lasting performance. Overlooking proper measurements. One of the most common mistakes is taking inaccurate window measurements. Even a fraction of an inch off can lead to poor fitting, drafts, or difficulty opening and closing the window. Some homeowners rely on rough measurements or assume all windows are standard sizes. Tip: always measure multiple times, and if working with a contractor, let them handle the final measurements to guarantee accuracy. Focusing only on price budget is important, but choosing the cheapest option often leads to disappointment. Lower-cost windows may lack durability, weather resistance, or warranty coverage. In Tuscaloosa, where humidity and storms are frequent, bargain windows may deteriorate quickly. Tip: balance affordability with quality. Look for strong warranties and materials designed to withstand Tuscaloosa's climate. Forgetting about aesthetics and home value while performance is critical, your windows also influence your home's appearance and resale value. Some homeowners install mismatched window styles or colors that clash with the architecture of their Tuscaloosa home. This not only affects curb appeal but can also reduce property value. Tip: choose styles that complement your home's design. For example, double-hung windows may suit a traditional home, while casement windows often work well with modern architecture. Not planning for maintenance. Different window materials require different levels of maintenance. Wood windows, for example, provide charm and insulation but may demand more upkeep in Tuscaloosa's humid climate. Many homeowners overlook this factor and find themselves with higher maintenance responsibilities than expected. Tip: consider vinyl or fiberglass windows for low-maintenance durability while still getting great energy efficiency. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Tuscaloosa is a significant investment, and avoiding these common mistakes can save you time, money, and stress. The key is to balance energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetics while relying on professional installation. By making thoughtful decisions, you'll enjoy beautiful windows that keep your home comfortable, protected, and energy efficient for years to come.